Hey everybody, this is Sam with Samuel John Guitars. This is part 1 of making an acoustic guitar neck. Today I will show you guys how to cut the neck blanks to size. I started off with a 24 by 3.5 by 3 inch block of quarter sawn mahogany. If you already bought your neck blank pre-cut, you can skip part 1 and move on to part 2. I just found it much cheaper to buy it in bulk than cutting it down to size, rather than buying it pre-cut. Here I am cutting down the lines we just marked on the piece of mahogany down on the bandsaw. I have a pretty small bandsaw blade, so I had to make sure I go slow. The bandsaw will leave pretty rough marks on the wood here, so I recommend using a drum sander to get those rough marks off of there, or you can use any hand plane or sandpaper just to get those scratches down. When sanding, it's really easy to take off too much material, especially with a drum sander, so I'd recommend checking after each go and making sure you're not getting less than an inch thickness. After the first pass, I noticed I still did not get all the deep scratches out, so I lowered it even more and went for round 2. Once your boards are smooth and sanded down, you are now ready for part 2. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and have a great day.